At Home Painters Toronto, we are a 25-year-old, full-service painting company that offers a variety of services. One of our more popular requests is the removal of wallpaper. See how we transformed this outdated 40-year-old kitchen in the Leaside area into a modern, chic, and elegant new room. The process can be very tedious and time-consuming, but once completed, it will leave you with a beautiful, open space for years to come. First, you need to prepare your workspace. This is going to be a messy, wet, sticky job. Remove whatever furniture you can from the room and cover the floors and remaining furniture with sheets or drop cloths. Cover the electrical outlets and switches with tape. Next, you need to wet the walls. This can be done by applying a mixture of wallpaper stripping solution and warm water. Applying this mixture to the walls can be done with a gentle water sprayer or simply by applying with a sponge or roller. Give the mixture several minutes to soak in. Now we can begin to remove the wallpaper. This can be the most time-consuming and tedious part of the job, so here are some tips. Work in small patches. Focus on one area at a time. Only peel away what you think you can remove in 10 to 15 minutes. Use a plastic putty knife to help scrape the paper off to avoid ruining the walls. If you are more advanced, use a metal putty knife, but be careful not to gouge or ruin the walls. Keep the paper close to the wall when peeling it off in large strips. It's less likely to tear. Remember not to rush and to be patient. This job requires a lot of time and you may have to go over the same area many times with the water, solution, and scraper. Finally, give the walls one gentle wash with soap and hot water to remove any remaining glue or paper. Now your walls are finally ready to be primed and painted. At Home Painters Toronto, we are a 25-year-old established full-service painting contractor with thousands of satisfied clients. We represent and are endorsed by reputable brands including the Homes on Homes Referral Contractors, the Home Depot and Benjamin Moore, CP24's Breakfast Television. We are an A+ member for the Better Business Bureau and a top-rated painter on Homestars.com. At Home Painters Toronto, we can do this for you. Please call us at 416-494-9095. We are eager to hear from you.